Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today, girl, I'm gonna go, well, first of all, let me give you a backstory. So Desi teamed up with Becca Cosmetics and they're doing like masterclass, and they were giving away, I don't know, an X amount of tickets, and all you had to do was enter. And girl, guess who don't won a ticket? Me. And the masterclass starts at 4 p.m. We got here a little bit early. It's barely about to be 3. But I'm just gonna go make sure my name's on the list, because you never know. So we just got to Nordstrom. My check-in is not until 4:30 p.m. So they just asked me to hang out around here. But I'm super excited. I never actually been to an actual master class, so I'm pretty excited. I had to get some caffeine before it starts. Say hi, Alex.
Hi, my name's Alex.
Yeah, check out his Instagram. It's called Alex Stories with 2 X's and 2 S's. Right?
Yeah.
They're color matching us right now, and she guessed my shades right. She got olive and bamboo. Yeah, she's good. Who I bumped into.
Hey, we have to stop. I'm gonna stop Thomas and my sister.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, we're excited that you guys are here. I do have someone that flew in from Texas to see you.
Texas, what part?
San
Antonio. Oh yes, girl, I love Texas.
She flew in from Texas.
I love Texas.
Yes.
Some of the best people from Texas.
And food, that barbecue.
Selena. The hospitality.
Yes.
Selena. Everything. Yeah, Selena. My family, on my dad's side, all from Texas.
Okay, so we put the primer on first, and then we're gonna follow with our balm. And I'm obsessed with this balm. So if you have puffiness, or you feel like you don't have enough sleep, or you've got some fine lines and wrinkles, or you feel like your concealer is just not staying put, this is going to be your bestie.
His skin always looks incredible, okay?
Yeah. Yeah. It's personal preference. We were talking about this earlier. Like, if you like to use a brush, that's great. If you want to use your beauty blender, that's great as well. But for this foundation, I do love it with a tool to apply.
I also feel like different foundations, like different finishes, work better with different, like I have a certain foundation that looks better if I buff it with a brush, and then I have some that I'm like, do not buff this with a brush because it like moves around too much. So it's kind of just like trial and error of like what you think looks better, you know?
Okay, great.
So I need something that has a lot of water so that it looks really hydrated and not crusty. I don't like to like look in my car mirror and be like, oh my god, Tales of the Crypt. So that's why I like this one. And I also feel like on my no makeup days, it looks really good and it looks like skin, so I can just apply this without foundation and nobody can tell I'm really wearing concealer. It just kind of looks like my skin is evened out. So I like that.
But you think you do, and then you look in the mirror and it's like, you just look flawless. I heard about it. I heard from Kathleen Light. She said that and I was like, so then I was like, well, I gotta do the test. She went on the what's in there? Champagne hot? No, opal. Oh, okay. So let's do champagne hot, maybe. Yeah. Prosecco pop is the big one. Prosecco and chocolate cheese. Lemon crab.
stop it. Lord, you got me. Every time. Look at my chest.
Oh, you guys, Desi's so sweet. She's so cute. And I had to go back and get a selfie because I didn't get a selfie the first time. Her and Steven are so cute. And Cindy, girl, she is bomb as hell. She got body. She looked real cute. And now Ricardo, Alex, and Alex and Dennis are hungry, so we're gonna go eat. So see you guys later.
Bye.